Good morning. In this video, I just wanted to follow up the conversation we had about what we called price protection and also creating great visibility for the team as they're building sales quotes. As you'll notice here, we've added on this last cost and max cost field. Those fields are pre-populated when you add the line into a quote and or when you add it via associated products. If you have something that a quote has already been built and it's not showing those values, if you just change the quantity value to 2, move off the line and change it back or whatever, it will update those costs. So it does an extra check as you change a value on the line. So it will always be fresh. And again, same time, anytime you go into a quote, you can refresh it from that perspective also. Looking at, let's say, this Galway Nitro Stout keg, if I click in here, I'll see my various different price scales. So, for example, we've got list, other trade, etc. And what we did was we added max cost and last price. I've added those to every product, but if I go and I edit a specific product, we can delve in a bit more deeper into the configuration. So clicking on the sales tab, I'll see my prices. As you can see, we've got last and max, and they're using markups and ranges. So what that means is the price scale is dynamic, and it's dynamic based on a specific cost method. Now here, it's set to 0 margin, so therefore it shows what it actually cost. Again, if we wanted to change that price protection model to make sure that there's no way the guys will have visualization on or have the visual of the actual cost, we can tweak the margin min maxes here. But the key component is for last price, the cost method is the last price. As you can see, we've got options like average, standard, maximum, and minimum. In our example, I've got last set to last, and of course, maximum set to maximum. And again, as I change, if I change this one, for example, to minimum, this would change. Of course, the price has never been different, but again, it would change based on the formula that we're using there. So again, just very, very simply, we're using 2 dynamic price scales. They use markups and ranges, and they're using a cost method of last purchase and maximum purchase. Again, to manage these very, very effectively, you can export into Excel, make the relevant changes you require, and then import back in. The exact is the same for things like associated products and stuff like that. Again, one of the things that we did was we set up associated products. So when I look at my test product that has all the other products associated to it, so test is the master product, for example. Again, we can change that to being whatever best suits the business. Again, looking here, we've got all our associated products and they're all managed individually here. But using the tools within Vision of import and export, it makes it really, really cool and really simple to import those and manage those much more dynamically. Any questions, please don't hesitate to contact support. Thanks, guys. Cheers.